Every year, thousands of drivers end up paying $4,000 to $8,000 for a full engine replacement, and most of them could have avoided it if they had noticed the signs earlier. Yes, the engine is the heart of the car. When it starts to fail, it usually shows warning signs first. Catching these early can save you a lot of money and prevent being stranded on the road. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 15 warning signs that your engine might be failing, explain what causes them, and what you can do next to fix the problem or avoid serious damage. 1. Engine misfires or rough idle. If your engine starts running unevenly, missing sparks, or shaking when idle, this is a classic sign of trouble. It can be caused by worn spark plugs, bad ignition coils, dirty fuel injectors, or even a failing ECM engine control module. If not fixed, misfires can damage your catalytic converter and reduce fuel economy. Quick tip: if you suspect a misfire, unplug each ignition coil one at a time while the engine is idling. If the RPM doesn't drop on one of the cylinders, that's the one misfiring. It literally takes 15 seconds and can save you from guessing. 2. Check engine light is on. The check engine light is your car's way of warning you that something isn't right. It can be triggered by many issues, from a loose gas cap to serious engine trouble. The best step is to scan the code with an OBD2 scanner or visit a mechanic who can pinpoint the exact problem. 3. Excessive exhaust smoke. Normal exhaust smoke should be barely visible or white when starting cold. Blue smoke means oil is burning inside the engine, often from worn piston rings or valve seals. Black smoke means the engine is burning too much fuel, possibly from a clogged air filter or faulty injectors. White smoke after warm-up usually means coolant is leaking into the engine, a sign of a blown head gasket or cracked block. Here's what blue smoke actually looks like. You see that slight bluish tint compared to normal exhaust. If you see this coming from your tailpipe, it means oil is burning inside the engine. 4. Strange engine noises. Knocking, ticking, or banging noises coming from the engine can indicate serious issues like worn bearings, low oil pressure, or timing chain problems. These noises often get worse with acceleration and should be checked immediately to avoid engine failure. Here's something a lot of people never try. If you hear a ticking or knocking, grab a long screwdriver or metal rod and gently press one end against the engine block, the other end to your ear. It works like a mechanic's stethoscope and helps you pinpoint the exact area the sound is coming from. It's an old-school trick, but incredibly accurate. Here's a quick sample of what a timing chain rattle sounds like. Listen for that metallic humming coming from the front of the engine. 5. Overheating engine. If your temperature gauge is climbing too high or the engine overheats frequently, this could be due to a failing water pump, a clogged radiator, low coolant, or a bad thermostat. Overheating can warp the cylinder head or cause a blown head gasket, which leads to costly repairs. By the way, here's a quick emergency hack most drivers don't know. If your engine starts overheating while you're on the road, turn on your heater at full blast. It sounds uncomfortable, but it pulls heat away from the engine and can give you a few extra safe miles to get off the road before permanent damage happens. 6. Poor acceleration or power loss. If your car feels sluggish and doesn't accelerate like it used to, this could be a sign of engine wear, clogged fuel filters, bad spark plugs, or a failing ECM. Reduced engine power means your car isn't running efficiently and needs attention. 7. Engine stalling or hesitation. If your engine stalls or hesitates when you press the gas pedal, it could be caused by a dirty throttle body, fuel delivery issues, or sensor failures. This is dangerous because it affects your ability to control the car smoothly. 8. Burning oil smell or oil leaks. If you smell burning oil or notice oil spots under your car, you might have oil leaks or worn engine seals. Low oil levels cause poor lubrication, leading to increased friction and engine wear. 9. Excessive engine vibrations. If the whole car or the engine shakes noticeably, this could be due to worn engine mounts, unbalanced or failing spark plugs, or a damaged crankshaft pulley. Engine mounts are designed to reduce vibrations and keep the engine stable. When they fail, vibrations become very noticeable. Just so you know, this is what a healthy engine sounds and looks like at idle. It is smooth, barely any movement, compared to this one, which shakes and vibrates heavily. So, if your engine shakes like that, it's a problem. 10. Difficulty starting the engine. If your engine struggles to start or cranks slowly, it could be a weak battery, starter motor problems, or internal engine issues like low compression. If starting gets worse over time, it's a sign that your engine is struggling. Now, if your engine cranks slowly in the morning, try turning the key to the on position for 5 seconds before starting. This allows the fuel pump to prime the system and helps you tell if the issue is fuel delivery versus compression. 11. Oil pressure warning light. When the oil pressure light comes on, it means your engine isn't getting enough oil pressure to properly lubricate parts. This could be from a low oil level, a bad oil pump, or clogged oil passages. Running your engine with low oil pressure can cause severe damage quickly. One quick thing you can do before calling a mechanic is remove the oil cap and look inside with a flashlight. If you don't see oil splashing or coating the valve train while idling, the oil pump may not be circulating oil. That is a red flag. 12. Engine over-revving or surging. If your engine speed fluctuates unexpectedly or the RPMs suddenly jump, this might be caused by a faulty idle air control valve, vacuum leaks, or problems with the throttle position sensor. These cause your engine to run irregularly and can lead to stalling. 13. Coolant leaks. Noticing puddles of coolant under your car or seeing your coolant level drop quickly is a warning sign. Coolant leaks can cause overheating and engine damage if not addressed. Common causes are cracked hoses, a leaking radiator, or a failed water pump. 14. Engine mount problems. Worn or broken engine mounts don't just cause vibrations, but can also misalign the engine and transmission. This can lead to stress on other components and even damage your drive shaft or exhaust system. 15. Timing chain or belt noise and failure. If you hear rattling noises from the front of your engine, it could be a worn timing chain or belt. If these break or skip, it can cause catastrophic engine damage. Timing belts usually require replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, so check your service schedule and replace on time. Now, one quick check most people never do is look under the timing cover for tiny metal shavings or belt dust. If you see gray dust or glitter-like particles, the timing chain is wearing out, and you're very close to failure. What causes engine failure? There are many reasons why an engine might start to fail. Common causes include poor maintenance, like skipping oil changes, using the wrong oil, overheating, neglecting fluid levels, and ignoring warning signs like noises or lights. Mechanical failures such as broken engine mounts, failing ECM, or worn internal parts also contribute to engine trouble. Over time, wear and tear, harsh driving conditions, and old age take a toll. Understanding the causes helps you prevent problems before they get serious. What to do next when you notice engine trouble? First, don't ignore warning signs. Early detection is key to saving your engine. Use an OBD2 scanner to read-check engine codes if the light is on. This helps pinpoint the problem. If you don't have one, most auto parts stores will scan for free. Second, check basic fluids like engine oil and coolant levels. Low fluids can cause many symptoms like overheating, noises, and poor performance. Top them up if needed, but also find the source of leaks or consumption. Third, inspect your engine mounts if you notice vibrations. Replacing worn mounts is usually affordable and makes a big difference in comfort and engine stability. Fourth, listen closely for unusual noises and act quickly. Knocking or ticking sounds require immediate attention from a mechanic to prevent engine failure. Fifth, if you suspect timing belt or chain issues, get it checked and replaced at the recommended intervals. Replacing these on time is far cheaper than fixing a broken belt that damages the engine. Finally, keep up with regular maintenance like oil changes, air filter replacements, and tune-ups. Preventive care keeps your engine running smoothly and helps you spot problems early. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand your engine better, please like and subscribe. Have questions or want me to cover more car repair tips? Drop a comment below.